Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a reading, full moon reading on our Aquarians. So full moon day is all about releasing negativity or negative patterns, anything which is unhealthy in our life. We can release that on the full moon day. So let's begin. I've already taken out the cards and let's see what we have for you Aquarians. In the past you have Eight of Pentacles, you have the Tower reversed and the Devil reversed. In the present you have the Strength, Ace of Wands in the reverse and the Ten of Swords. In the future, in the coming future, you have Two of Wands, Page of Wands and the Knight of Swords. The challenge for the week is the Knight of Cups in the reverse. Now what I can see in the future of Aquarians is that you have Eight of Pentacles. You were definitely working on something, you were learning something. It could be a new project regarding your work, money, or it can be relationships also. So you were working on that, but definitely that was not paying out and you were not satisfied or happy with it. So you were forced to make a change. You were forced to make a change, and you have here this Tower. Tower means a forced change, a drastic change, and I think you had anticipated already that something is wrong with the situation. So that's why, with your work or with some person, here you see the Knight of Cups coming here. This is your challenge. So you were fearful about this. Devil card is all about your fears and all. So there was some forced drastic change which happened. There was a Tower moment, and it shook you up, it shook you up, and you decided to face it head on. This was very good. This happened in your past. Now in the present you have the Strength, the Ace of Wands in the reverse and the Ten of Swords. As we already have seen that we have two major arcanas here, the Tower and the Devil, and there was something which shook your very foundations, which forced you to take a new direction. It is absolutely aligning with the Ten of Swords. Somebody backstabbed you and you were at your lowest point in life. You felt very hurt, very disappointed. So there was blockage. You could not, start your work. There was blockage in the area of work, or it could be love or anything on which you were really working. Then you have the Strength, but you definitely regained your strength. You are in this frame of mind of facing this person, and whosoever it is. The person coming to you is Knight of Cups. If you talk about the challenges, the Knight of Cups is in the reverse. There's somebody who is actually, is not what he's showing to be. He's just pretending. He's making an offer to you. It could be regarding your work, it could be regarding your love. So he's actually making an offer for you, but it's a fake, he's just faking. There's nothing he has got to offer to you. So you should be careful, and you should be careful of this person. And you have the Strength here. Strength means that you are now feeling very, very bold, and you are ready to face any kind of situation. In the future we see the Two of Wands. You are trying to align yourself. You've got two choices because there's a change has already happened. So you are trying to streamline things. You will streamline things in the right direction. You will try to make the best of the new opportunities. You're changing the direction, and as you can see, this person is looking in a new direction. Is trying to make a choice. She's trying to streamline things in a proper way, and the opportunities are there. She's trying to make the best use of the opportunity. But there's another Knight of Swords. So this Knight of Swords is actually coming very, very, seems to be coming in the future very, very very, very quick and fast. He is not so emotional. This person also doesn't seem to be emotional. He seems to be pretending to you. So definitely this person is coming towards you with lot of force and lot of brashness. So you are not looking here, you are looking elsewhere. That means you should be careful of this person. And this is what the future shows to you, that somebody is going to come into your life. Definitely this person is making an offer, but it is not real one. He's faking actually all his emotions, but this person seems to be coming. This also doesn't seem to be very emotional person, but he's rushing towards you. He's rushing towards you, though you're not able to look at him, you're not able to see him coming, but he's definitely coming. The advice for you here, my dear Aquarians, is the Eight of Wands in the reverse, the Justice in the reverse, the Knight of Wands in the reverse, and the Queen of Wands in the reverse. So the tarot is advising you to be on an alert. To be on an alert that, I think the tarot is warning you of this person. It could be warning you of this person also. There are two persons, Knight of Cups and the Knight of Swords. So this is this person also is also making an offer, and this person also seems to be rushing, coming to you. So you have to be in your in your energy of taking an action. You should be alert. This is what it shows. You should be alert. The Queen of Wands, you should trust your intuition very well. Somebody is coming towards you which you cannot see. So Pisceans, be careful. Justice in the reverse. So be fair enough to see if the offer or whatever, whoever is coming into your life, whatever work, relationship, anything could be, just wait properly, balance it properly, and then take an action. Although presently you are advised to, you are not looking in the mode of action, but you have to be in this energy, in the energy of Knight of Wands. So this is all what I have for you, my dear Aquarians. Have a nice weekend, and this full moon reading is advising you to be on an alert, to be vigilant about all the offers you get, whether it is love, relationship, health, or anything, any area of your life. Thank you for tuning in, and see you again. Bye bye.